Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk a bit about it should be easy or not. I know many of you struggle with discipline, struggle with motivation, overthinking, should they do this, should not they do this, how they should do, why they should do. All these questions are very difficult to answer. But I do believe is that we need to start with something very simple every day and just keep moving it. And I do believe that things should not be easy. We should learn step by step. We should meet difficulties. We should be okay with difficulties. We should not think that life is very easy. We should not expect that life is a very easy thing. Right now with this social media boom, everyone are posting shorts, reels, content is getting quicker, faster, a lot of ideas. Many people, they just consume a lot of content, and because of this they think it wow, it's very easy to start or is so simple to do, and they meet different themes, and because of this they are confused. Too much information, and they lose their focus, and then they cannot start doing simple daily things to keep going. So my main theme I will want to talk today about is, first, you need to be consistent. Second, you should have a good focus in your life. And third, you should not expect that anything will be easy in your life. It's okay if sometimes or something you can receive or you can have in more easier way, but it's not okay to think that 20, 30, 40, 50 years will be easy for me. For sure not. If you are healthy right now, you have a lot of energy, it doesn't mean that you'll be the same when you have 30, 40 years old. When you'll be 30, 40 years old. Same happens with any other parts of our life. So we should be consistent, we should work on everything. We should be hybrid athletes, but in life. Taking care about our families, taking care about ourselves, helping people, doing many things all together. But if we are expecting just life to be easy, then we cannot pass, we cannot do so many things, we cannot control so many things. And then that's why people a lot of them, they have depression, they gain weight, they broke up, they do many kind of bad things that maybe they should not do, but in the same time, because of a lot of content, the social media, a lot of pressure they're losing their way. So I will suggest you to find something you like, or even if you don't like it, you need to keep moving, let's say half a year or a year, to understand if this is yours or not. But in the same time, you should not expect that, oh, it is easy, I just try a few times, it is hard for me, and then just skip it. No. You just need to continue moving, continue going. If after 1 year you try, let's say 100 of hours, and after that, if you really find that you cannot, or if it's not yours, or if you feel that you want to do something else, then switch. But don't expect that I just try a few times and then okay, switch. No. Anything you will find in your life that you like, you will meet difficulties during your way anyway. Trust me, anyway. You can stay in the game 10, 20, 30, 50 years. You will meet difficulties for sure. So you need to be ready for it. So my advice to you is, it is much better to be ready for that, to practice the skill of meeting difficulties and just knowing yourself how you can go through them, how you can just having a difficulty, how you can build yourself and what you can learn from, instead of just giving up. It's not so easy, I understand, but in the same time you need to study yourself. But how you will study yourself if you are not meeting difficulties? You have a case, even if you did wrong, you analyze it, you studied, and then you go ahead. And then if you meet it again, same thing, you start it and you go ahead. Nobody here is perfect, and I think human beings should not be perfect. If everyone was to be perfect, then just all of us supposed to be the same. So keep going. Don't expect that things will be easy. Don't expect. This is the biggest mistake. The biggest mistake. People think that, oh, I want to cut some weight, few months I'll cut. Yes, maybe you can cut fast in 1-2 months. But then another thing is, would you be able to maintain like 20, 30, 40 years, same body weight, same low fat, or same amount of good muscles? This is the biggest question. Same happens in any other aspect of our lives, let's say family or business or any kind of other stuff. We need to keep this length as long as possible, but at the same time we need to control it in the good way possible. Yes, you can have like some really day offs without any energy, right? Just watching TV and doing some random stuff. But it doesn't mean that all your life should be like this. And another rule of mine is doing something today is much better than doing nothing. So one step forward is better than like just doing nothing. This is what I realized during my practicing career and life career, and that helps me like during many years. Sometimes you are really like without any energy, just moving at all. And aside of that, you have some problems, like maybe business problems, maybe family, maybe just many other questions happens during the day. So you need to know how to control it, how to manage all these things, and just slowly keep going. Don't think that in life that everything will be like easy, how we find here in the phone. Too much content right now. Too much. People are consuming a lot, and in the next few years people will consume even more content. Everything will be much faster because of AI and because of supply. That's why stay focused first. Second, be consistent. Third, don't complain, and just keep moving. Don't stop. Keep moving. Don't expect that everything will be easy. Keep going, and I'm sure like after some period of time, half a year, you'll see some results, you'll find some results. Even if you, after 1 year, you will not do the thing you just started, this 1 year will learn you a lot, will teach you many things. Then that after that will help you in another step. So take care of yourself, be consistent, don't expect that life will be easy, and help each other. We need to grow together and build all the things together. Have a good day, take care of yourself. Peace.